Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I thought I'd show you how to export images to Instagram and keeping all the details. Obviously with Instagram and Facebook, sometimes when you upload, well most of the time when you upload them, they actually compress the image, so you're not getting the true detail that you see on your computer. Okay, so if you go to, in Photoshop, if you go to image, mode, first thing to do is make sure that it's set on 16-bit, because it stops any like banding in the image, where you'll see like a line where the tone changes. Okay, so yeah, make sure that's on 16-bit. Then the next thing is, if you, obviously the best thing to do, it used to be, is to crop it as a square, but now it's best to do it in a 4:5 ratio, because it takes up, when someone's looking at your picture or scrolling down the news feed, it takes up most of the space of the screen if you have it as a 4:5. So if you go to the crop tool, just make sure it's set to 4:5 up there. Obviously this is already done, and then it will give you that box that you can select the image or the portion of the image that you want. Okay, so that's that bit. And then to actually export it, you need to go to File, make sure that's done, File, Export. I used to just do Save As, but if you save the image and it's really high resolution, that'll compress it as well. So this is where the magic is really. If you go to Export, Save for Web, and these settings are already pretty much set apart from the bottom one, because I've done this before. So I think that was set to PNG, but if you make sure it's JPEG, make sure the quality is 100, which will put this as maximum. And then optimized was already ticked, but you need to tick embedded color profile, so that'll keep all the colors as they should be. Convert to sRGB, that wasn't ticked either, so you'll need to tick that. Make sure those two are the same as what I've got there. And then the best bit is down here. If you upload it as that, that's where it'll compress it and make it not as sharp as it should be. So if down here, if you put 2500, that's basically allowing it to be sharper than it would be if you normally uploaded it as the, I think it's 1080 by 1350 is the normal Instagram size, but doing this, it allows you to have it a little bit sharper. So yeah, so if you put that as 2500, and then the quality is that bicubic sharper. That was set as something else before, I think it was just bicubic. So if you put that as sharper, save, and then you obviously save it where you want it to go. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's the best way to upload your images to Instagram anyway. Cheers, I'll leave it there. Thanks.